Alright guys, we're going to go to Ask Scruff and answer a question for Lee. Now, I've watered it down best I can and it's based around lot sizes, etc. So let's roll the intro and we'll get into this. And a warm welcome to one and all. Now, Ask Scruff is where the group I moderate ask me a question and I come to camera and I try and give it, well, kind of a simplistic way of answering. And most of them are just for them, but sometimes I think it's valid to go public, and that's what we're going to do now. So let me flip the screen over and I'll show you where it's coming from. Now, we'll go this is our Rags and Richards. I'll do a video message for you in a second, Kevin, because what you were looking at above was really important, and I think it's something to look at. So let's go into the Traders Clinic and Ask Scruff. Now again, as you can see, there we are, we're up to 64. You're very welcome, Casper. I've caught up to date with all the questions now. And what I'm looking at is this one here for Lee. So it's a little salute to you because you live just over the hill from me. Great to see the northern boys holding up the fort. Now, it's about lot sizes. And when you're looking at spread betting and you're looking at a lot, it does get confusing. Because if you're talking price per point, that's the size of your bid. So for every pip movement, it's £1. But then if you're doing it with lots, every price movement would be 0.1. So yes, it does get confusing. Now the rule of thumb, if you're looking at cable or something like that, there is variations from product to product. So don't jump up and down going, that's not right. The rule of thumb is £10 or $10, depending on where you are, for every single lot. So what I've done to make life easier for you is I've amended the target setter that you've got in the toolbox. So it's here, so you can work out what it is, how many trades you need to do to get your wages, etc. When you're looking at your outlook, so you can go, right, okay, there is my account size, however big it is. We'll just say it's 5,000 or 4,000. It'll automatically work out your maximum big size is £5 or half a lot. And then you can put in what your average win is. So you might say it's 12 pips and you do it 2 times 24 pips. And then as long as you can maintain that, and I stress maintain it because you've got to be consistent with it, that'll tell you what your expectation is as an outlook over the year. Now it's based on 5 days a week, 48 weeks a year. So you've got an entire month of losses built into this, or time off. But if you're looking for just average 12 pip wins and you're patient and you're not chasing the market, it's not out the reams of possibility. Now to make things a bit easier, I've done a ready reckoner here. So if you put £10 in, it's a lot. £5 it would be 0.5, pound 0.1, 50p 0.05, 10p 0.01, and it's kind of roughly like that, okay? But if you're putting an odd size in, and we'll say whatever it is, so here you might decide you're on £2 a point, and you can look at this and you go, well, I'm only putting £2 in, and it'll tell you what the lot size is, 0.2. So that would quickly work things out for you to be there or thereabouts where you need to be. Okay, now that might help. You might put an odd number in, like 750. Well, you would know that's how much money it is, because we look at spread betting platforms and they work in price per point. But if you're looking at BlackBull or other MT5 platforms like 5% as prop or Darwin X, whatever, they work in lot size. So that would be the figure that you put in your box. So I made it just to make life easier for your kid. It's just a rule of thumb sort of tool that you can use, and then from there at least you'll be in the ballpark of what you need. So I hope that kind of helps, and as always, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.